It's hard to eat just one. The best dessert I've ever tasted, quick and easy. I will start by adding a cup of milk and a cup of heavy cream inside a blender. We will also add a cup of condensed milk. Tell me if you've made a recipe like this before. Let's add half a cup of grated coconut. I'll beat it to mix all the ingredients. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure all your friends will love it. Let's add 24 grams of unflavored gelatin. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is from Giovanna Smith from Cuba. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I'll transfer our mixture into a few bowls. You won't believe how beautiful this recipe looks after it's done. It's really amazing how good she gets. Tell me your favorite dessert to eat cold, I'd love to know. Let's put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Again, I will put a cup of milk and also a cup of heavy cream in a blender. Let's add a cup of condensed milk. Here we are making the second part of our recipe. I'll add half a cup of chocolate powder and mix all the ingredients. I doubt you've ever made a recipe like this. I'll add 24 grams of unflavored gelatin. And again mix everything very well. It became one of my favorite recipes the first time I tried it. We will transfer the second mixture that we prepared to the bowls that we brought to the refrigerator earlier. I make this dessert myself often at home, and when I do, nothing is left. Even your friends will ask you to teach this recipe, so good that it is after ready. The best is that we can make different variations of this recipe. Try in your home and come back here to tell me. Once again, we will take everything to the refrigerator for 2 hours. And our recipe was ready. Look how delicious it was. A perfect dessert to enjoy on hot days and eat cold. With just a few everyday ingredients, we can make an incredible recipe. Surprise everyone at your family lunch or in a get-together with your friends. Perfect to do on days you don't have much time to cook. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.